Sabaw.
Tagal pa yun. Okay. So may we have our first activity tonight, and that is guess again the topic focus in a one-line statement only. Okay. We have here sentence paragraph. All you have to do is to look into the focus or the topic in a one-liner only. You can shout your answers or share your answers by opening your microphone. Spot the keywords, okay? Keywords or the recurring keywords so that you'll come up with the topic focus. Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
But instruction, it should be instruction, no? Okay. The principal plays a vital role in shaping instructional quality in the school. Classroom observations allow the school head to see how lessons are delivered. Feedback sessions that follow observations are opportunities for refined teacher strategies. Collaboration is encouraged through professional learning communities where teachers share best practices. When aligned with the school improvement plan, these activities ensure that teaching standards are consistently met. Reports from supervisors and teachers are consolidated to inform instructional priorities. This ongoing cycle positions the principal as the lead instructional leader. What is the focus?
Instructional supervision.
Instructional supervision. Another answer.
Classroom observations.
Classroom observation. Some more guests?
Classroom observation, sir.
Classroom observation. Okay, the topic focus as mentioned here is the principal's role in enhancing instructional leadership. Okay, that could be one, no? Instructional supervision or instructional observation. It's a part of instructional leadership. But the core of it is how can the principal maximize his role or her role in enhancing the instructional leadership. Okay, we go to the next. Silent reading, then you can now shout out your answers if you're done. Answer. The topic focus is all about financial management. Other answer?
Financial management and accountability.
Financial management and accountability. Okay, sound financial management for school improvement. Okay, thank you for that answer. The answer is on the first sentence, no? Or the topic sentence. Next, oh, we have a clue. Paragraph 3 on record management. How can you state that?
Record system.
Record management.
Record management, sir.
Okay, it's a
Record
systematic
keeping
record management for school
and record
efficiency.
keeping.
Okay, and
Systematic
that's one.
records management for efficiency.
The clue word is systematic. How systematic? Okay, there is updating, yan, regularly, organized, security of records, yan, proper filing and archiving. Then there is also an electronic record keeping. So that could be a good record management. Term it as systematic records management. Next, do we have some more?
Professional development.
Professional development.
Curriculum
Block
and
session.
instruction development for improving teaching
Black
effectiveness.
session. What could be the descriptor for a professional development?
Personal
Continuous professional development.
Okay.
as a driver for teacher growth.
Professional development as a driver for teachers' growth. The focus of professional development always on teacher growth, no, for the improvement of teaching and learning. Next, safe and functional school facilities create a conducive learning environment. The classrooms must be well ventilated, adequately lighted, and furnished for learning activities. A strong facility plan contributes directly to student achievement.
Safe and secure learning environment.
A safe and secure learning environment or a well-maintained facilities could support quality education. Okay, a well-managed classroom or a well-maintained physical setup of the school and the classrooms could support quality education. Next, schools thrive when they engage parents and community stakeholders in decision making. Partnerships bring additional resources, services, and expertise to support learners.
Stakeholders engagement.
Okay, that could be one. Stakeholders engagement.
Building connection.
Okay, correct. Community engagement
Partnership.
or stakeholders engagement strengthens the school programs. Okay, thank you very much. Now we're ready to come up with our activity. Ito po ba? 21. Ay, nawala na. Which best illustrates the effective management of educational programs? Ito po ba, ma'am?
Yes po.
Yes po, dyan po. Parang correct lahat eh.
Okay, sa 21, management po ang pinag-uusapan natin. No? On 21, how do you well manage educational programs?
Hello, sir. Pwede po pa-send ng key answer po?
Nasa chat, ma'am. Nasa chat. Yung last message ko, yun po yung answer key. Okay na po tayo. Sige, antayin. Anong oras na? 6:56. Sa answer key po ng 21, A ang sagot. Tama po ba? Or B?
A po yung pinili nyo.
A.
A po.
Ang two
Letter
possible
A.
options na sagot nyo ay A or B, no? Saan kayo nagkamali sa 21? Sumagot ba kayo ng B or other answer?
Letter D,
sir.
sir, ang sagot
Ito,
ko.
letter D rin po sa akin.
Monitoring
Letter
program.
D.
Yes, sir. Monitoring since
Okay, there's-
may management of education program. Management.
Okay, effective
Letter D po
management.
sa akin.
Tama po. Ang sagot natin ay D dapat. no?
Monitoring
There should
program.
be
B.
monitoring and evaluation of program implementation. May we double check
Oh,
21? The answer is D.
D.
No.
Oh, D. So, +1 yung ano namin.
How about 22? The teacher uses only technology-based instruction. How can you lead the teacher? Encourage a balanced use, no?
Letter B, sir.
Letter
Provide
B sa akin.
in integrating
Provide
online
training.
platforms. Ang online po ay technology-based na siya, no? Online. Ay yung teacher, yun lang daw ang kanyang ginagamit. So si B,
So, encourage.
wrong na siya.
Okay.
Kailangan po ay balance. There should be
Letter
a
B.
balance between the use of technology and the local, no? Or the traditional methods. So,
Tapos ka na? Tapos ka na? Wow. Kala ko
23.
na yan
Instructional
may tinik.
feedback becomes the most effective
A.
when?
Matinik ka.
Answer.
A.
Specific.
A.
A,
It's
sir.
specific, should be evidence-based, and directly linked. 24. To sustain a program planning, the principal should anchor plans on the needs assessment. No, always no, when you plan, there should always be the basis or proof na yun yung inyong pangangailangan. No? It's needs-based. A is the answer. 25, in managing teacher stress.
A.
Na teacher stress na daw. The instructional leader should. Okay, wellness and support. A. Lahat naman pwedeng maging answer, pero pag tingnan nyo
Meron yan.
yung pagka-structure ng sentence, no? Mga anak-anak niya kasi yung si B, si C, or si D. You look into the mother, no? Which demonstrates clarifying skill during curriculum implementation. Explaining how
Ma'am
well
Elizabeth, open po ang mic nyo.
integrated into project-based learning, facilitating workshop where teachers co-interpret, presenting policy guidelines with contextualized classroom applications, or D, providing detailed scenarios that teach
Pagkain
and
mo, tingnan
correct.
mo nga doon. Basa ka lang
Okay,
doon.
our answer here is A.
A. Establish. A amin.
Sana tayo. To uphold standardization, the principal should. What do we mean by standardization?
Standard.
How standardization is being met, no? There should be a measurement of success. There should always be a measures of success. So how can we measure success, or there's always a monitoring and evaluation done?
Hindi po sa akin kasi may monitoring.
Okay, the possible answer could be D or A. However, let's look into how can we standardize every actions or every activities in the school.
D.
Parang D ang sagot, no?
D.
Progress monitoring tool to ensure consistency in performance indicators.
Yes
Ang
po.
sagot natin is A,
D
no?
lang.
Ang A kasi it only talks about instructional delivery.
D.
While in D, it encompasses all aspects of the school in measuring success, no? So we'll go with D. Performance indicators means these are your checklists. These are your checklists for success. When you go to benchmark, ang establish a benchmark, meaning you are not still on the standard process. Nag-uumpisa ka pa lang kasi sa A, di ba? What do we mean by benchmark? Diba, that's the starting point of everything.
Yes,
You
sir.
are not still on continuous process or continuous improvement if you benchmark. You
Yes
benchmark
po.
meaning kukuha ka ng anong maganda
Adapt,
doon sa
adapt,
kabila para
adapt ka,
Yes.
ano,
i-adapt mo sa sarili mong school. So, hindi pa siya standard.
mag-a-adapt ka.
Yes po. At saka sa standardization, it involves ang quantitative data po kasi. So, nagagather po natin yan through monitoring.
Yes. So, we'll change the answer key from A to D. Next, on 28, instructional development in language teaching. O, ito naman kasi may specific, there's a specific topic that's language teaching. So, meaning English. Teacher use authentic text could be the answer here. No? Authentic text. Tama ang A.
Authentic.
29, during evaluation, the principal emphasizes measurement by. How do we emphasize measurement with that of evaluation? There's a difference between evaluate and measure, no? If you talk about measurement, anong nami-measure sa schools pertaining to student performance? Can you measure lesson plan complementary evidence, monitoring attendance and punctuality, combining assessment with formative evaluation, or triangulating the data from student performance, comparing it with teacher reflection or classroom observation? We'll stick with the answer A, no? We triangulate, meaning we get into the impact of the student performance vis-a-vis with the teacher's reflection and along with the classroom observation. Kung tama ba yung bata talaga ay improving or nagde-decline yung kanyang performance. That's how we measure and we evaluate. No? Measurement means success indicator yan. Meron tayong mga brackets na tinitingnan, both quantitative and qualitative. 30, instructional leadership is maximized when the principal. Okay, how can you balance or reach maximum instructional leadership? Ang sabi kasi delegation kasi ang sinabi niya, effective delegation. Strengthens instructional leadership by mentoring the department coordinator lang, align the report preparation with school performance and instructional goal. The possible answer could be A or D. Pero report lang kasi ang D, no? Align report preparation. However, reports could not always actualize, no? The one we are performing or providing input in actual scenario. So we still move on with A. Focus on supervising or supervisory and improve the teaching and learning process through instructional supervision. Sinong may kwan nakadagdag ng score?
Ako po.
Ako, sir, yung 1 point.
Plus 2. Mama Marisol got plus 2, 27 na. Okay, I'll be giving you another set.